How to log in to Trustmark Bank online banking. To begin, please open your secure web browser. Navigate to your preferred search engine, such as Google. In the search bar, type in Trustmark Bank and press Enter. From the search results, kindly select the official and verified website of Trustmark Bank. On the home page, locate the Login option and click on it. On the Login page, enter your username in the designated field. Then, enter your password in the appropriate section. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. For new users, please click on Sign Up Now to create an online banking account. Once all information is correctly entered, click on Log In to securely access your account.